Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is our fifth and final day in the Isle of Man. Tomorrow we'll be flying back home. So today we are going to explore the electric railway and the Laxi Wheel, which is the world's largest water wheel. This video is the part 1 of our day 5. I have to say this, the beautiful views at the countryside and the fact that every house looked different, unlike in the UK where we have lots of houses that looks just the same, it made me want to move to the Isle of Man. Only until I got outside from the train. When I got outside, I realized it's far too cold, even on a sunny day like this. The blue sea, the blue skies, and the beautiful countryside. This was the best part of the Isle of Man trip for me. Isle of Man is known to have very low crime rates and high quality schools. all through the climb up, we never lost sight of the sea. Even when it was wooded areas, we could still see the sea through the woods. It was beautiful, amazing sights. I hope you enjoyed this video and the ride along with us on the electric railway in the Isle of Man. See you soon with the part 2 of our day 5 in the Isle of Man at the Laxey Wheel. Don't miss it. Bye for now and thank you for your support.